Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to use full-screen Ubuntu in VirtualBox. To start, open Ubuntu and VirtualBox. When doing so, from the device menu, click on Insert Guest Editions CD image. When you see that the unit has been added, click on it. Click on Run Software located at the top. Click Run and enter your password to confirm. When you click Authenticate, a terminal will open to complete the installation. Wait for this process to finish. After that, from the Shutdown button, click Restart. Confirm this process. You are going to log in. While in Ubuntu, right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. Now in the resolution field, choose a new resolution. Click Apply and you can keep this option or not. When you maximize the window, your Ubuntu will be in full screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.